Amidst the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, a unique architectural exhibition is unfolding. And here is our main character, the male Baya Weaver. With no blueprints and no tools, this tiny architect's only weapon is its sharp beak. Look at how it weaves and tightly interlocks every single strand of dry grass. A breathtaking meticulousness. Every knot is the result of thousands of flights in search of the most perfect blades of grass. For the weaver bird, the nest is not just a shelter, but its only ticket to winning over a mate. To complete an inverted bell-shaped masterpiece capable of withstanding the stormy season, this little bird must endure weeks of relentless labor. Every minor detail is carefully calculated. A flexible structure hanging suspended from a high branch to keep the future eggs safe from ground predators. And now comes the moment of truth. The female bird has arrived to inspect the construction. If the nest is not durable or crafted skillfully enough, this romance will shatter instantly, and he will have to tear it down and start all over again from scratch. In the natural world, we often see weaver nests tightly packed together, creating a bustling and resilient, suspended urban area. Its perseverance, miraculous instinct, and vibrant yellow coat have added a brilliant stroke of genius to the canvas of nature. An architectural masterpiece woven from anonymous strands of grass. The wild wilderness always harbors wonders that far exceed human imagination.